My name is Alvar, and I'm the CEO of Fable Tech Labs.
My name is Evelyn Allen. I'm co-founder and CEO of Evercloak.
I'm Karen Wong, co-founder and CEO of Taku Labs.
Fierce Founders is a 6-day bootcamp, kind of a business 101.
Through that engagement, I really learned about sales, customer success,
but also learning really important pitching skills that will add value to me as a CEO, especially when I'm reaching out and trying to get investment in my company.
We get to actually have access to this bench of robust advisors that not only build businesses themselves, they've also advised a number of cohorts of fierce founders and also other founders, not just women.
They really are hands-on with you. You're getting feedback, you got to act on it immediately and then go validate what you just decided.
It's shortened what I believe will be our learning curve to actually launch. It's not about just money, it's not just about resources, it's about advice and actually being pointed in the right direction and having really good qualified feedback.
Another thing that I loved is that I met women from all over Canada. Growing my network nationally is a huge benefit.
Many of us don't come from very traditional tech backgrounds, and the fact that we don't doesn't mean we can't succeed in what we're doing. It's a no-brainer really for any female-led startup.